This is how we do.
Let's say that your Gmail address is vancesudo@gmail.com. You're opening an account with a new company, and you want to see if they're sharing your information without your permission.
Oh no, she didn't!
Rather than provide your standard Gmail address, you instead could provide an alias that will forward to your inbox and can be set up for pre-filtering, such as vancesudo plus scum@gmail.com. That way, it's very clear if those scumbags share your data. So now we come over to Vance Sudo's inbox. I am Vance Sudo, if you haven't guessed that. You need to do this on a PC. These options are not available on the mobile app. So we're going to go ahead and click this little button next to the search mail bar, show search options. As we can see in the options here, there is a field that says to, indicating to whom the email is addressed to. And we're going to go ahead and put our alias in that field, vancesudo plus scum@gmail.com. And as you can see, as we are typing the alias, our own avatar, my own address right here, pops up as the autocomplete option. And we're going to click Create Filter, which will bring up the filter options. And we can create a new label. And we'll create a label called Scum. That way, all this mail that comes to this address will be pre-filtered into a specified label in our mailbox called Scum. So now all you need to do is maintain exclusivity with the email alias you've designated for the service you're signing up for. In other words, don't use that alias for any other signups or anything anywhere else on the internet. So that way, if you receive any sort of communication from any other entity or spammer, scammer, anything at all from someone other than that company you signed up with, you know that company sold you out. They scumbagged you, and then that label named Scum becomes completely appropriate, and you know what kind of two-faced animals you're dealing with. And just to verify it is in working order, I'm going to go ahead and send an email from another email address to the Scum alias. And there is the email that verifies both the alias and pre-filter settings are in working order. These are just a few examples of what you could use as alias names to organize your digital life. Social media names, general categories like blog or bank or whatever. Now here is where things get a little bit interesting. Your email address with Gmail also equals these email addresses. And yes, you can use 1 dot, you can use 2 dots, you can use 10 dots. It depends how many characters are in your email address. That's going to be the determining factor. And of course, you have to suffix this with @gmail.com, but these email addresses will all forward back to your inbox. The word directly from Google, dots do not matter. Unless you have Gmail through work or school, then the dots do matter. They change the email address.